What's going on, folks in YouTube land? I'm back. I've got a short little update on the giveaway, and then I've also got an Assa clamped up in the vise that I'm gonna pick. First time opening it. I'm stoked. I'm ready to get it on camera. Hopefully, it's not camera shy. But I've also got, like I said, the update for the video. I've got this lock right here, which is a Medico, and it's just the inside portion of a deadbolt. But let's see if I can get to focus on the wording. Bam, there you go. That's the inside portion, and it's picked. I've been working on trying to get this one picked again reliably. It's taken me about 20 minutes or better to pick it still, so once I can get my time down, I've got this one and I've got a few more Medicos that I'm working on trying to learn how to pick. But this one will be going in the bucket for the giveaway, and I'll try to do a video Friday or so, before the giveaway, and do an overview of everything, and let everyone see what is all included again. But for right now, we're gonna go ahead and pick this Assa. It's been whooping me, but I finally won. So let's get zoomed in. Let's get set up and start picking. Because if I don't shut up soon, this might become a 20-30 minute video. Hard to tell, this one likes to fight a lot. But if it was easy, everyone would pick these. Yeah, I know, folks, I'm still working on trying to learn to get my hands out of the way. To me, this is just a little bit more comfortable than, some of the other ways that people pick. Alright, gotta click out of one. And I think something's overset. Let's try that again. That and I wasn't calling out pins. Working on that. One's binding, got a slight click. Two's binding, got a click. And three feels good right now. We'll leave them alone. Four feels good. Five's alright. And six, I touched it and overset. Alright, one is good. Two, got a slight click. Getting all kinds of clicks. Start back at one. These ones bound up hard. Alright, got a good solid click out of one. And everything else is loose. Here's six. Oh, would you look at that? Got a good false set out of that one. Now, if I remember right from picking it earlier, these feel like they have got massive undercuts, because I've got to give it a little bit of a clockwise turn with the pick and a slight counter rotation with the wrench. Alright, start from the back. Slight counter rotation backwards. And oh, there's that click. So six is set. You guys will have to pardon the phone, forgot to turn the volume off. Let's go five. And we're open. Holy cow, that went a whole lot quicker than I was expecting. I was expecting at least a 15-minute video just trying to pick into this thing. We are not going to screw this up by taking it out of frame. Let's zoom that out. And get the vise out of the way. Still working on a good setup. Once I get it set up halfway decent in here for somewhat of a lab, I might make a tour of the lab or of my little lock picking area, more or less. Because I don't have the space like everyone else does. I'm in a very odd situation with where I'm at. So, alright, is the camera gonna balance there? Looks like it. Alright, so I do not have a key to this, so I do not want to lock this up, or else you guys are going to possibly see a long pick. Because I think that one was just dumb luck. Oh. Ooh, almost took that out of frame. Grab that tension wrench. So, let's stick that down in there and break these screws loose. So like I said, I do not have a key, so I'm not looking to have to pick this again. Alright, let's get the tension wrench out of there and follow our pins are towards me. Alright, yep, that's still in frame. Let's see what's in there. Alright, yeah, I know I need to work on lighting. That's my next project to get. Alright, so there's everything in there, and let's see if you can see the undercuts in that chamber. Look at those undercuts. Those things are massive, and they feel even deeper when you're picking. So let's move that shim. Alright, one is a standard. Oh wow. Two has a wafer. Would have never known that by the way it picked. Looks like all these bottom ones are going to be standards. Yep. All the key pins are going to be standards. And that wafer, that is unexpected. Definitely did not make picking any easier. Alright, tweezers. Wow, number one has a wafer too. And one of the nice little Assa, I'm going to call it an Assa spool, because I'm not sure if that's what would be considered an Assa spool. All I know is it was not fun to pick. Oh, number three had a wafer also. Alright, let's grab the rest from the other side. Number 6 is another one of those Assa spools. So it's looking like all these are. And number 4 had another wafer. And it looks like all the springs are going to be the same down in there. I'm not going to pull them because I doubt that they're going to go through and undercut or anything like that, thread the chambers. But they did thread these really good and deep. Or not thread, undercut. Yeah. You guys hear that? All but number 3. Number 3 is smooth. This is one of 2 Assas I've been working on. The other one is sitting in a kick holder still, and all it has are the finger pins in it for the side, and I'm still not able to get past 2 of them. Because here's the other ones. Oh, might help if I put my hand on the right side of the tray. There's the other ones out of that one, and I'm still not past just picking 2 of the finger pins. It's gonna be a while before you guys see that one on camera. Alright. So, let me grab the camera and I'll show you these pins that were in here. Without dropping it. Alright. And that's what was in the Assa oval. And that wafer in chamber 2 is like paper thin. So it kind of gives you an idea of why it's laying the way it is. That's what was fighting me in that Assa oval. Glad that monkey's off my back, and I'm gonna move on to the next one. But for right now, I'm gonna leave you guys with the fact that in order to win a giveaway, you gotta play by the rules. I need to get some of you guys that have entered or that have commented on that video to subscribe up. That way you guys don't miss out on an opportunity to win some amazing locks. I got one lock pinned up already. It's one of the challenge locks that I'm making. I've got that pinned up. Picked it myself a couple of times because I can't send anything out to the community that I'm not going to be able to pick myself. Just can't do that to you guys. So it works. It's a fun pick. Let's put it that way. I got the other 2 sitting right here waiting to be pinned up. Got keys, but I just don't have the pins in them yet for the right keys. So I'm still got to pick them and get them set right. But I'm gonna add a lot of fun to these. But yeah, as of right now, that's what I'm looking at. And keep it legal. And be very afraid of asses if you run across them. That one, I've got about a month in it trying to pick it, so they're not easy. But until next time, catch y'all later.